Things that go wrong, I suppose really it's like all of us, it's rushing into the task. It's not standing back and looking at the relationship, looking at the clarity of roles, what people's strengths are. And that kind of leads to, I suppose, relationships sometimes being left behind. If the group can orientate itself around 4 questions. So first of all, why am I here? So that you have kind of clear expectations of the time and energy commitment. Who are we? Getting to build trust with each other. What are we doing? So what's being delegated where? And then how are we doing? What's the progress? I think in the last one really, I think it's to ask really positive questions, to ask what's working, not always to have conversations around what's gone wrong.